Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to change hotspot device name in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your hotspot device name, so as you can change. So first of all guys, we will have to come in our phone setting to guys change our hotspot device name. So guys, click on your phone setting guys, and guys you can see network and internet. So guys tap here. Guys click on hotspot setting and guys click on Wi-Fi hotspot. As you can see your hotspot name, so guys tap here and guys cut this name. So I will change into guys. So example for we will take into guys mobile Vivo. So as you can change like that your hotspot device name in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change hotspot device name in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.